Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to cover the Water TechniX Paradise inverter heat pumps available from mrpoolman.com.au. The Water TechniX Paradise is one of the best heaters on the market today. Its twin rotary Mitsubishi compressor, coupled with the advanced air ventilation system, makes it one of the quietest heat pumps on the market, operating at only 42 decibels while in silent mode. Putting that into perspective, a normal human conversation is at 60 decibels. This heat pump also has an easy to read LCD screen with Wi-Fi app. The casing of the Water TechniX Paradise heaters is made with premium anti-corrosion ABS plastic, so it can withstand these harsh Australian conditions for many years to come. And finally, higher efficiency means faster heat up times. That means less waiting and more fun in the pool. Once the water has reached its desired temperature, the Paradise heat pump will automatically revert to silent mode to maintain the perfect set temperature. All Water TechniX pool equipment is backed by factory warranty. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au.